2007 Suzuki GSF Bandit 650. Awesome fucking machine. Now, that's zoomed in. Fuck off. There you go. I've had it for 2 years. I don't do bikes for more than 2 years. I've never had a car license. I'm in my 50s. I am a biker. This is a biker's bike. You've got minimal, barely noticeable ABS. You've got an awesome bit of torque between 3 and 6,000 RPM. I've done the video before, 0 to 100, back to 0, and it took 7 seconds. After 100 miles per hour, it takes a while to get up to 130. It's got about 84, 85 brake horsepower. It's got a blue flame exhaust on it. Yes, somebody might be buying her on Friday. Today's Tuesday. Possibly, maybe, don't know. The problem with the 2007 is not the engine is fucking bulletproof. The problem is that it's a crossover year, 2007, which means a lot of stuff like the brake discs, the brake calipers, front and rear, the sprocket is going to be a 2006. The spark plugs, I'm not sure if they're 2006 or 2008. What you have to do, there's no point in going by the logbook or going by the owner's manual or by a Haynes manual. They lied to you. What you have to do is get your engine number or your frame number, bring it into a garage and tell them it's a crossover bike, give them the frame number, and they can tell you what parts you need. It's an awesome bike. There's no complaints about her at all. It's just, I don't do bikes for more than 2 years at a time. I can't do it. I mean, during lockdown, I've done 14,000 miles, I think about 14,000 miles. So I'm averaging, during lockdown, about 7,000 miles a year. And it's just pure pleasure riding. All weathers, snow, rain, she does the fucking job. The only problems I've had with her is I reversed very, very slowly. The mirror caught on a piece of string and it snapped off. But borrowing mirrors, even the Oxford ones, they're only about 15 quid for a set. Yeah, nothing to complain about really. Nice thing about getting a bike like this, they're common as muck and they're really cheap. As much as I hate it, I'm actually put her up for $17.50. You can modify easily with these things, like you can put a USB on it, you can put your bar mirrors on it, you can put your Denelli sound bomb horn on it. Display, nice and simple. The red light on the left is your ABS, that goes out after a couple of miles. You got your RPM, MPH, speed, trips, no gear indicator, nothing fancy, just a nice basic bike.